Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a brand new 2020 model year Sea Ray 290 SDX. My favorite model in the SDX lineup because this is also the only SDX model that comes with joystick piloting with twin Mercury Verados on here. We've got independent electronic steering controls for both engines that allow for the joystick piloting. As far as comfort amenities here, you can see we have lots of seating, huge sun lounger on the rear, easily accessible cockpit with a nice walkthrough. As we come through, you'll see freshwater washdown, freshwater sink, as well as a built-in drink cooler, and even a refrigerator. Plenty of seating throughout, upgraded sound system with lots of speakers, built-in cooler you can see there under the chair, table that can mount in right there, both for the stern and one for the bow. We've got snap-in sea deck throughout, making it all non-slip, as well as very comfortable and soft on your feet. At the helm, we've got a reversible backrest here, so when you're sitting anchored out or at the sandbar, you can face everybody else in the boat and you're not stuck here with a captain's chair that points one direction. Joystick piloting, including skyhook, autopilot integration, electronic throttle controls, trim tabs, and all touchscreen Simrad chart plotter that also gives you all of your engine management data. Below we've got Fusion radio. This is your primary head unit here. You've also got another one on the stern for extra controls. Port side, check out the size of this head. On a 29-foot boat, you've actually got a sink as well as a full-size toilet, not just a regular old porta potty. And finally, moving forward, two huge sun loungers with armrests, one on each side, another zone for your stereo, mount for your table I was telling you about, lots of cup holders you can see, and even a windlass. So you're not retrieving your anchor when you're out at the sandbar by hand. Just hit a button at the helm and you're good to go. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any other boats that you see, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. My information's right there at the bottom. I'm here to help. Thanks.